Las Vegas. As you can see here, we have a pretty massive project, 8,000 square foot home, Summerlin, Spanish Trails. We're replacing the old with the new. That means the old R22 systems are coming out, the new 410A high efficiency systems, American standards. Once again, you can actually see we replaced 3 units, heat pumps, 3 air handlers, and we still have 3 more to go. A total of 6 units, a total of 8,000 square foot house. It was kind of complex because we had to deal with these steel beams where the units had to be placed on, approximately about 15 feet high. But as you can see, a perfect installation. If we go around this corner, you can see the complexity of this installation. You can actually see how we had to go over this wall to get these condensers in. Not only that, it was very complex to get these the air handlers, which is the other side of this condensers, inside those small cramped spaces up in the attic, in closets and so on. We had to go through this driveway, and if you see this driveway, it's a very beautiful area. Once again, 8,000 square foot home. We can handle small projects, big projects. Thank you for choosing Eco-Friendly Air. Have a beautiful, blessed day.